Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi. If you're old, welcome back. Nice to see you again. So today I'm going to be hooking up a water connection to my refrigerator. As you see behind me, it does have an ice maker and it does have a water connection. So the connected kit that I'm going to be using today is a no puncture kit, so it does not have to puncture any pipes. That did make me nervous since I do own this home. I did not want to puncture a pipe and then it start leaking everywhere and I can't fix it. So this connector is specifically made to go under the sink and connect to the water source just by screwing in different cords. So hopefully it works and let's try it. First thing I'm going to do is run the cold water for about 5 seconds, so when I check the pipes, I know which one is going to be the hot one and which one is the cold one. So I'm going to be using the PEX Ice Maker installation kit, which is in 25 feet. The nice thing is there's only 2 pieces to this project. I'm going to give a demonstration before I connect underneath the sink, just so you can get a clearer view, because when I am under the sink, it is kind of an awkward position. Next, I'm going to shut off the water supply and then unscrew the pipe that's connected to the faucet. Lastly, I put everything back and taped up the excess water line, just in case if I wanted to move my fridge or rearrange anything, I would still have the excess tubing to do so. Lastly, open up the water valve, then press down on the water pads, and you should have nice flowing water. Hey guys, hopefully you liked that video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. If anything else, like, subscribe, and see you in my next DIY.